Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Wednesday. Yay! Wednesday today is the 15th of April 2020, and let's have a look at the activities that I have in store for you today. Today in literacy, we're taking a break from Read Write Ink, and you have a story. The story is called The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear. There is a link for you to follow and listen to the story. And I want you to think about all of the describing words in the story. So the little mouse. Little tells us about the mouse, what he looks like. The red ripe strawberry. The word red and ripe tells us about the strawberry. And the big hungry bear. It tells us about the bear. So in the story, I want you to be thinking about the describing words, picking out the describing words and adjectives. Later on today in our Zoom meeting, we will also look at adjectives, and I also have another bear for you to meet. This bear is quite a famous one. I think you might already know him, but we'll talk about his picture and look at adjectives later on today. The story also links to what we've been doing in maths this week, which is having. Exactly. So today the English or the literacy story links in with maths, and in today's maths lessons you're going to solve simple word problems. Okay, boys and girls. So what is a word problem? Well, it's kind of like a story. And in the story there's some maths that you have to do to solve the story. For example, if I was to make up a word problem, okay, here we go. My brother and I went to visit our grandma. Grandma gave us a bag of apples to share. There was 6 apples in the bag. How many apples did I get? And how many apples did my brother get? Now, how would you solve that? You might like to draw a picture, or you might like to use real life objects if you have them, or you might like to use some pretend objects like cubes or tomatoes or whatever you can find, toys, I don't mind, or you might just like to write a number sentence. It's up to you how you solve it. There are some word problems at the bottom of these activities, but other than that, your mom and dad can make up a word problem for you. And if you really want to challenge yourself, maybe you could make up a word problem for your mums and dads. See if they're able to solve it. And in your cross-curricular activities, it's Art Day. And linking back to our story about the red ripe strawberry, your expressive arts today is to design a fruit in disguise. Well, there are some pictures there for you to have a look at about fruit dressed up as in disguise. That's interesting. Do you know what the word disguise means? Yes, they're pretending to be something that they're not. I am super excited to see what you can come up with for fruit in disguise. Okay, boys and girls, I will see you later in your Zoom meeting. Have a lovely morning and best of luck with your activities. Bye.